Look up. Go on. Look at the night sky. It looks peaceful, doesn't it? Silent. Still. A blanket of stars watching over us. Don't believe it. That silence is a lie. While you sleep, the universe is screaming. Right now, violently powerful forces are tearing through the dark. Forces so big they make our sun look like a grain of sand. We think space is empty, but it's not. It is a jungle, and in a jungle, there are predators you can't see until they're right behind you. Imagine for a second that the lights go out. All the stars vanish. You're left floating in total, absolute nothingness. You feel a pull, a gentle tug at first, then a drag. Something is reeling you in. You can't see it. You can't hear it. But it knows you are there. Most monsters stay in their caves. Black holes usually sit in the center of galaxies, minding their own business. But astronomers have found something else. Something terrifying. Rogue black holes. Imagine a dead star, crushed the size of a city, heavier than 1,000,000 suns, drifting silently through the dark. Invisible. If one entered our solar system, we wouldn't see it until the Earth began to freeze, pulled violently away from the sun. It's the ultimate cosmic ghost, wandering the void, waiting for something to get too close. But what if you fell in? You pass the event horizon, the point of no return. Looking back, the stars turn red and fade because you're falling so fast that light itself can't keep up. Time breaks. To a friend watching from afar, you freeze forever at the edge. But to you, you are plunging into a nightmare. Gravity takes over. The pull on your feet is millions of times stronger than the pull on your head. You are stretched into a long, thin stream of atoms. Spaghettification. You aren't just dying, you are being unraveled. But let's assume you survive the crush and reach the center, the singularity. Some physicists believe the bottom of a black hole isn't a dead end. It might be a door, a wormhole spitting you out of a white hole somewhere else, a place where the sky is purple and time runs backward. You've entered a new bubble. Many scientists believe our universe is just one bubble in a giant, chaotic multiverse. And sometimes these bubbles crash. Astronomers have found a massive cold spot on our sky, a cosmic bruise, evidence that another universe might have slammed into ours billions of years ago. If it happens again, a wall of energy moving at light speed would rewrite our reality instantly. 1 second you're here, the next deleted. But right now, in our own universe, we are being hunted. Our entire galaxy is rushing at millions of miles per hour toward a hidden spot called the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly hidden behind the dust of the stars. Is it a monster cluster of galaxies? Or something ancient sitting in the dark, reeling us in like a fish on a line? Yet the scariest threat is a bubble of nothing, false vacuum decay. Think of the universe as a ball on a ledge. If it slips, just a tiny quantum nudge, a bubble of true vacuum forms. Inside this bubble, atoms can't exist. Physics fails. It expands at the speed of light, so we would never see it coming. If that bubble started 1 billion light years away, it could be halfway here right now. It would pass through Earth in a fraction of a second. No pain, no warning, just total erasure. We search for aliens. We build rockets. But the universe is vast and it is violent. We live on a tiny island of calm in an ocean of chaos. We like to think we are the main characters of this story, but the cosmos doesn't know our names. So look up at the sky tonight. Enjoy the silence. Enjoy the stars. Because the light you see took millions of years to get here. For all we know, the source of that light is already gone, and the darkness is on its way.